wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and once again welcome to my channel Photoshop beginners series. Last in the last part, sorry, in the last video we can see the first part of the post. Here is the second part and last part of our this 30 free data post. Here I can end up the beginner series. No, not end up the beginner series, but I end up my post, and now you can see me in new way. So you can see now I can add new year is most important. Actually our Islamic new year is start with Muharram al Haram, but now this is new generation, new era, so that's why the December end up, so everyone say first Jan is called the new year. So I can select my font. Again I am saying a designer has lots of collection for of fonts, gradients, presets, backgrounds, elements, because graphic designing is quite, so you have to all your weapons in your hand, take your weapon in your in anywhere. So here I adjust new year, new offer 30 GB. Actually, my client saying the please remain the text same, but I am little bit bored. Free offer, new year 30 GB. Yeah. So here I am adding some drop shadow. Okay. One thing I am telling you, illustrator, you many of you are you must know that Illustrator is a raster is a print-based vector base. Photoshop is rasterize. Okay, pixel. Now I add up new offer. Then I check the size. I'm trying to adjust the 30 GB more grab action. So here is 30 GB is more okay for me. Now I can add new offer on what what या मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ on happy new year. No, no. आइडिया कैंसिल हो गया आइडिया कैंसिल हो गया because when you when you create a post or design something, like there are lots of things which run too much fast in your mind, so you decided it up with what you going with. Here is some messy thing happened with my designs. You can see when I take 30 GB plus free data on top to create or manage my sites, so it's some messy thing happened. So I again trying my best. 30 GB डाटा ऊपर गया, अब ये ओके हो गया. So again 30 GB और free data हो गया. Actually when you select the layer, sometimes you mess up with one layer, so that's mess up things, create some issues, no, too much issues. That's must be, you know what I'm gonna say, that 30 GB is layer not adjustment. मुझे ऐशो इशरत नहीं चाहिए जीने का सहारा अब ये now I am Maben करिंग द सॉन्ग अच्छा यहाँ पे आप देखें now I can end a post with adding happy new year my clients remind this is must and must enter in the post so ये रहा happy new year also of the fill then again go to present again on fill then again going with gradient so alhamdulillah I am completely successful to create an amazing post in Photoshop. Okay, and that's the final look. Adjust little bit size of the Happy New Year. Okay. ये चीज मेरे अजीज thank you remember me in your prayers I hope you like how could we design the presets from different variation to create our tree creation post remember me in prayers tata bye bye allah hafiz and goodbye